This is the summer before James's senior year. He's clearly come a long way and has landed an internship at a design company. Internships can teach you about the field you plan on going into and the people you'll most likely be working with. As a young employee, it may be difficult to apply leadership in the workplace, but there are times when it is necessary to lead change.
Have you got a chance to think about the layout for the Myers project workspace? I need to get an idea of where the electrical lines should run.
Yes, I'm almost done with the preliminary sketch. Take a look.
This looks great. Could you send it over whenever it's finished?
No problem. Hey James, I finished the drawing for the Myers project. You're free to run the calculations for the gas, water, and electric lines.
Awesome. I'll get to work immediately.
All right, great.
Hey.
Hey,
I ran the calculations, and everything worked fine except for a few water lines. I think it would just be more efficient if we moved this bathroom over here just a little bit closer to the water source.
good find. I'll make some adjustments to the drawing. Just give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Hey James, how are you doing?
Good. I'm done with all my work for the day. I'm just waiting on the final drawings for the Myers project.
How are those utility calculations coming along?
They're fine. Everything worked all right except for a couple of the water lines, but I'll be able to finalize those once I get the drawings back.
Well, could you please get those in to me by tomorrow morning? I'm meeting with the client and I want us to get ahead on this project.
Yeah, sure. I'll get it done.
Thank you very much.
James, I finished the drawing.
Really?
Yeah, you're good to run the calculations now.
Sweet. Let's do this.
All right.
James, how you doing? You're looking pretty rough.
Oh, no, I'm fine. I just stayed a little late at the office.
Oh, well, did you finish those calculations?
Yep, right here.
Oh, wow. Great job.
Thanks. Say, have you ever thought about maybe switching to computer software here at KCF?
You know, I have. But my employees aren't too keen on it.
Why is that? I mean, it would be more efficient in the long run.
Well, yes, I agree, but my architects are so used to hand drawing that it would just slow them down.
Well, it would only slow them down in the beginning.
That's really true. You know what? How about I let you pitch to the team and see what you get with them?
Cool. Give me a week.
Sounds good.
Hey, Professor. Yeah, I was wondering if I could ask you for a little bit of advice.
Sure, James, what's up?
I've started my internship with KCF, and everybody is still doing their drawings by hand. I mean, my boss is letting me, try to pitch the CAD software to them, but I'm a little bit worried because they really like drawing by hand here, and I think I might run into a little bit of resistance as far as that goes.
Ah, I see. Well, as new technology becomes rapidly available, companies across the world have to decide whether or not to change with the times. When leading change, it's important to establish a sense of urgency. You need to make the change seem necessary. Try to talk about your competitors and how it will be possible to keep up with in the future. Also, you'll need to think of all the benefits of switching to counter their doubts. Try to find people in the company who already agree with you and get them to support you. I'm sure there's lots of employees who are fed up with the hand drawings too.
I think I know some people who would go for it.
Good. You should see if they can say a few words to support you during your pitch. Before the day of your pitch, however, you should try to bring up the topic of modeling software to coworkers. Try to familiarize people with the idea instead of completely surprising them.
Yeah, thank you so much, Professor. I'll let you know how it goes.
I don't understand. I could have done that sketch half the time on paper.
Well, then you must be a really fast drawer, which means that you'll be even quicker once you learn how this software works. Here, let me show you a few shortcuts here.
Okay. Whoa, I couldn't have done that on paper.
The next time you come across an outdated process or tool at work, school, or home, use these steps to lead change. When leading change, it's important to create a vision, communicate the vision, and empower others to act on it. Establishing a sense of urgency, finding early adopters who champion the change, communicating and celebrating wins, and finally institutionalizing the change are also key to establish new approaches.